This is what a cheap aftermarket tie rod and sounds like. I'm just pulling it sideways. Yep. While it's on the ground, and you could hear it. You could hear the knocking sound. I'm not so sure. I think this was like replaced like recently, probably a year ago, and it's already bad. I don't know where it was bought. So removing the cotter pin and removing this one. Need a big hammer to pound this one. One more pound. There you go. Now that it's out, wow, this is really bad. Okay, so I need to count how many threads there are for this. Yep, you're gonna need a marker for this one too. This is the new, courtesy of Duralast. Doesn't have a what they call that, zerk fitting, and this one is already busted. I don't know why. It has a zerk fitting. I don't know what brand is it. Seems like a very cheap brand. This one doesn't even have a Duralast brand on it, but it's also a Chinese one. Yeah, okay, so we back this out like one turn clockwise to loosen the outer tie rod end, and then I counted the turns to loosen it. It's like 21 turns, so we're gonna do the same thing, tightening it. I got it back 21 turns, and now I'm gonna tighten this back, the lock nut. So I'm gonna tighten it by clockwise. Oh no, not clockwise, but counterclockwise, going out. Careful when rotating this, because it might twist your boot in here, and in my case it didn't though.